Okay, this is Florent, the mathematics user, and we are looking at a differentiation question. That is a WASI 2001 question, and it is a function of x is given as x squared plus 2x plus 1. It is find from the first principle the derived function of f. Then I find the turning point of f. So now here, first of all, our f of x is given as x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, and from the first principle, we need to find f of x plus h. That is, we substitute x plus h into x. So we are going to have x plus h squared plus 2 multiplying x plus h, then plus 1. Let's expand this. This will give us x squared, x times h times 2 will be 2xh plus h squared plus 2x plus 2h plus 1. So these are f of x plus h. So remember that from the first principle, this is the first principle. And already we've done the f of x plus h. Now let's continue. So we are going to have this x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 2x plus 2h plus 1, all plus 1 minus the f of x, which is x squared plus 2x plus 1 all over h. Now let's simplify what we have here. So here, x squared minus x squared being cleared off. Now here we have 2xh. But remember, the minus sign here affects everything in the bracket. So we are going to have 2x minus 2x, which is 0. Then we have 1 minus 1, which is also 0. So we are left with 2xh plus 2h plus h squared all over h. Now here we can simplify this by using factorization. So as h approaches 0, let's do the factorization. H comes out. We have 2x plus 2 plus h all over h. Now our h cancels out the h. Then we have 2x. So as the h approaches 0, we have 2x plus 2 plus h, but the h will be 0 here. So now we obtain 2x plus 2. So from the first principle, our function is now 2x plus 2. Now we were asked to find the turning point. The turning point. So here, for turning point, dy dx is equal to 0. So we equate what we have here. 2x plus 2 is equal to 0, where we have 2x is equal to negative 2 then our x will be -2/2, giving us -1. So we have the x value. Now we need to obtain our y value. So we substitute this into the original function to get the y. So we'll say that so our f of x is now equal to y, which is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now what's the value of x here? It is -1. So we have -1 to the power 2. 2 times -1 plus 1. And this will give us 1 minus 2 plus 1, where we obtain 0. So for our turning point, we have x as -1 and 0.